because it is getting into the hundreds today, and so we are enjoying air conditioning. We got the trailer behind us. Anyway, we're going back into the White Rim to get a dirt bike. They said dirt bike. I don't know if it's an adventure bike or what it is. You know what it is? No. All right. Anyway, we're gonna have you running the camera today. Yeah. All right, here we go. To Hardscrabble campground, and then we go up over the hill. It's kind of a rocky little section. We go up over that, and we'll drop into Potato Bottom, and that's where the bike is. See the deer up there?
Deer.
Deer right there in the road eating some bushes.
Yep.
Running back and forth between the river and these trees because he wants to drink, and then he wants to eat, and then to drink.
Then eat.
Yeah.
And the crazy driver.
What crazy drivers do you speak of? The camera's still. There you go. All right. So you gotta go up over the hill to Potato Bottom. That's where the bike is. Right there. The road runs right along there, and it'll come around right up there on the edge. It circles around that hill, and then the bike will be there.
Lighting on
it. Yeah. I'm okay. People might see the bike and no rider and get worried about it. So that's why it's written on there on the fender. See? Recovery vehicle on the way. ahead and put the top back on the Jeep so that we can enjoy the full benefits of the air conditioning. Okay, so everything that we just did, we're now gonna do backwards. Nothing fancy or crazy, no weird obstacles, nothing. We're just heading right back. Here we go. So here we are. So I've been having an issue with the power steering fluid overheating all day and boiling out. Now the alternator caught on fire and melted that. So we've got the battery disconnected. Mike saved the day on that. So,
Wisconsin Mike.
Hooray.
Hooray!
All right, banana strap engaged.
Engaged.
All righty. All right, so me and Lily will take this to Mad Bros if you guys want to drag this to the shop, and then
maybe find an alternator.
And then.
Okie dokie, Smokey.
So there we are. There's a whole day of recoveries. There was a dirt bike, there was an ambulance, and then my own Jeep.
Happy Friday. Happy Friday. 110 degrees out. There's only 101 in there.
In there. We're doing a little Father's Day video. Want to say thank you to all the fathers out there. There's also another side to that. So I was raised by a single mother, and then when I was 15, I met my stepdad. He went on a date with my mom, and he is the gentleman that I call my dad. Like it's really funny because so like the pepper trick on how to plug a radiator, the carrying ATF because it works for almost everything. Those are all tricks I learned from my stepdad. How to weld, I learned from my stepdad. Lots of things. So kind of who I am and who I became from when I was a teenager is all focused on my stepdad. I just want to give a big shout out to the people that step up to be dads that didn't have to be dads. That means a lot to me in a lot of aspects. I know they get kind of a stereotype, but whatever. I'm trying to say this without getting emotional. I know my stepdad watches the channel, and I want to say Happy Father's Day, Gary. Thank you for everything. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, whether you're actual dads or playing the part. Thank you. And thank you everybody for watching. Alrighty, so here we are. We've got a friend over here. Becca here.
Hello.
So we did a great thing with Becca. She came out. She wanted to do a Happy Father's Day thing for her dad, and her and her dad watch the channel, and it's really cool. You'll see some of that footage. And so we did kind of a Happy Father's Day to Fred, which Happy Father's Day, Fred.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you.
You want to put it in four-wheel drive or low range? Or front wheel drive only. All the front digs I do, the crazy little things.
Yeah.
Jump in and make sure you can reach everything. It's a little different being on this side of the vehicle.
Should we go around again?
Sure.
Okay. Beautiful.
Perfect.
Hey, thank
Go
you.
ahead and say it.
Oh, it's so fun.
You can come drive it too, Fred.
Come on down.
What'd you forget, Roy?
Oh, I didn't forget them. I'm just too lazy to put them in. Unlock the house.
I want to give a quick shout out to my dad. I'm named after him, Justin. I wouldn't be who I am today without him, so happy Father's Day, Pop.